Today, we're holding below this pivot so far. Let's see how we want to do it. It's running. We will see. We're currently in a 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute squeeze. Sheesh. What the heck just happened, bro?
Now it's just 30 minutes.
Just 30 minutes now?
Yeah. An hour.
Only thing is we're still in supply. There's too many sellers resting here. It looks like it's just gonna break right through supply, but I've seen that so many times and then it just has a pullback. Do you have all the charts pulled up or just one at a time?
One at a time.
One thing I noticed about NQ is it trends so much better than the ES. It's for sure something I noticed. It's just Traded 5 data. Well, wait. Market just keeps going, bro.
Yeah. It's kind of like new territory now?
Yeah,
Is that why?
it just keeps going. It's up 60 points from the open. It's just wild. At this point, you just
Do you ever try to catch the end of a 30-minute squeeze? Like a 15-minute squeeze?
yes, but I want to wait for like when it comes out of it.
Yeah, because it's coming out of a 30-minute squeeze right now. That's why it's doing
Yeah, the only thing is we just don't know where our risk is.
that. Hmm.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Bro. Did anyone catch that? Bro.
Dang, 4 years ago, the first day that I Camp Freedom.
Really?
Yeah, today.
What the heck? Crazy. We'll keep going. What do you think? Doesn't matter. Just waiting. you taking a trade yet?
No.
It's just running, bro. Bro, from pivot to pivot. It's up 100 points.
Looking for swing trades.
Yeah. There's nothing though. Yet. Can't really do much here because trading long right now go against my rules. And I don't want this one scenario to like get me off track. You know?
Mm-hmm.
There might be one opportunity. Nice, one of the swings I've been holding for a while. Just moved.
Can you show me how to find?
Huh?
Can you show me after this how to find a swing trade?
Yeah, for sure. I just found one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's good. Fits the criteria for what I've been using. OGN to the downside.
What time frame?
What you say?
What time frame are you looking at?
I look at the daily.
One year, 1 day, right?
Yeah. I took a bearish swing trade on OGN. I bought puts. I bought $20 puts.
You did it already?
Huh?
You just did it?
Yep. I like it. We'll see how it goes. Obviously, I won't win every one of them. Pretty conservative though on the swing trades.
How far out?
I bought it almost 100 days out.
August or October?
October. One thing I just have to be cautious of is when is earnings. Right. So like, you know how when we day trade, we don't trade during news?
Yeah.
Like during news? Well, with swing trading, earnings calls and earnings dates is the same thing.
Earnings are on 8/3.
8/3?
August 3rd.
Yeah, so as long as we're out by then, which we should be. The move should happen within the next 15 days.
Okay. And you
It should happen before the end of the month.
sold
I just give myself room.
you
What?
sold the put?
No, I bought puts. Yeah.
$20 price?
Huh?
At 20?
I bought the $20 put, yeah.
So you paid $120 for it?
$125. That was what I had to pay.
Oh, nice. I'll pay $120.
I like that it's been overall weak while this market has been rallying. It's got a TTM squeeze triggering. It's like got a bearish TTM squeeze. The sales are down over the year. The earnings per share is down 50%. Earnings per share the past 5 years is down 12%. Earnings per share for the next 5 years is projected to be negative. And earnings per share this year is negative 32%. We're consolidating after a big move down. I think it's a simple drop-based drop.
Where's the break even at?
How do you mean?
Like, it's got to go to this price to break even.
That's why I buy it 100 days out. I never expect to hold it that long. I never want it to go past like the 60-day mark. That way, the options decay, the theta, or you know how like it kills you a little bit every day.
Yeah.
It really starts killing you on the last 45 days. So I'm giving myself a big wiggle room for where I pretty much just need to be right on the trade.
How many orders did you buy?
I bought 3.
3
Yeah, nothing crazy.
on a $2,000 account.
2,200 now. LITE is the put that I bought. It was like a week ago, I think. So you can kind of see what I'm explaining. I bought it, I think, on 7/7.
When is up? When is up?
Yeah, once it rejected. Dang, we're breaking above the top pivot on the NQ. Yeah, but LITE, you see how it is?
Yeah.
It's down during a time when the overall market is rallying. Like really good. So as soon as this market slows down, what do you think will happen to LITE? Huh? It'll plummet, bro. ADD is falling. I'm telling you guys, I don't recommend anything, but I've only gotten myself in trouble when I go long in supply. Oh, nice. Yeah, like if OGN, if it falls, what is it at right now? Say it falls to 17, or no, that's too much. Say it just comes back down to 19, I'll make 100% on my investment, on my trade.
Nice. You never want to risk more than what? How much are you risking?
You never want to put more than 20% in a single trade. 20% of your account. I typically do like between 10 and 15%, and I risk like 2%, 3% of the account. That reminds me, I gotta put my stop loss in. See, like on that LITE, for example, I'm up 42% on the day
Nice.
already, and it hasn't even really ran yet, you know?
But put. So by OGM, I gotta put 10 more. Nice.
And the price action that you'll see on OGN, you'll see it's a very, very, very similar price action to how I would take a bearish trade on the NQ for a day trade.
Now, how do you set your stop loss?
Are you on Webull?
Robert.
Robinhood? You go to, hold on. Let me see here. You go to the actual stock,
Mm-hmm.
you'll click trade, sell. At the top right, up here in the very top right, where it says dollars or shares or something,
Yeah.
you'll do a conditional order, stop order, and then you choose your stop price.
Stop limit order?
Yeah. No, I just do stop order.
Limit order?
Limit order? No, just stop order. Does it not give you that option?
No.
Okay, then just do stop limit order. Yeah, up 50% on light today. That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
It's crazy, bro. You don't need a bunch of trades.
Okay, so stop limit order. Limit price? Limit price?
So limit price is what it'll get triggered at. So you want to give it a little bit of wiggle room. So like, what's your stop order?
What do you mean?
What's your stop order gonna be? You have to type in two things. Do you have to type in two prices?
Oh yeah, stop price.
Do like 0.9 and 0.8. And then your target is like 2.25, 2.5. So that'll be like a 1 to 3 risk reward.
Doesn't you just like I don't know what you just said.
So what price did you get in at? Okay, that's where I got in at. So if you put a stop price at 0.9, that means it'll trigger the system to get you out.
0.9.
0.9.
Limit price.
Limit price, I would put 0.8 because there's something called a spread between the bid and the ask. So when the price of the option hits 0.9, it'll trigger an order, right? But the 0.8 is saying I'm not willing to go anywhere below that order. So if you put the stop limit at 0.9 and it doesn't get filled, it can blow right past your stop. Does that make sense? Because the limit order is saying I'm guaranteeing this price. So if it goes below that price, it can't guarantee that price anymore.
Oh, so a limit guarantees.
Yeah, so you want to give yourself a little bit of wiggle room.
Got it.
You know what I mean?
Yes. Cool, that makes sense. And it'll just be like a pending order.
Yep, exactly. And put good till cancel.
Nice. So basically you can lose 20% of the trade, or you stop low at triggers.
Yeah.
Okay. I like that. Then you can make a lot.
Yeah, bro. Another one that looks good right now is Penn.
PEN?
PENN. Oh shoot. Hold up. Wait a minute. You got the crew in the house. It's light today. A light.
What time frame are you looking at pin at?
What?
What time frame are you looking at pin at?
Daily. What?
What do you see there?
Continuation play to the downside. It's at supply, which is typically a really strong resistance level. And I had a good bottom, so I'm thinking $25 it'll come down to. Maybe 24 if it's really strong to the downside. Because what I'm thinking about too is the overall market is really extended right now. You know what I mean? So this is already super weak. So what happens when the overall market gets weak? After being really strong? Weak stocks become weaker. You know what I mean? What?
Did I miss it much?
Nah, bro, we're in supply.
Really?
Yeah, we're in supply, so I just don't go long, you know?
Yeah.
I get myself in trouble every time I do that.
Do you have pivot points on Thinkorswim?
I don't. Thomas does.
I'm about to think about 39.
They're what?
I can't even see the chart.
Yeah, I mean, there's not been a. There was just a squeeze on the 1 minute. I don't like it. It's too risky for me though. You know the recent move up? Or wait, I don't know what the ES is doing actually. Oh yeah, the ES is choppy, bro.
Really?
Huh?
Let me see.
Oh, bro, it's choppy. That's what you call chopalicious. Huh? You see that, bro?
Yeah. Where's Thomas?
He had something he had to do this morning. He's good though.
Cool.
What does that mean? Nice. Oh,
Oh.
who was it? I haven't taken any trades on this. It's been one of those weeks, bro. One of the swing trades that I took, I'll break them down to you guys. Since there's nothing we can do right now. If you follow the rules, I mean, it's up to you, but. ON. I bought at. I bought at 29 on the 23rd. Look at it, Kelsey.
What?
ON.
Okay. Oh, N.
ON.
I'm not. Okay.
Bought it at 29. The only thing is, though, I sold it at 32.
23rd of June
Yeah.
at 29.
Yeah.
Okay.
Win was one of my losses. WYNN.
And what did you sell? Oh, N.
32.
Win Resorts.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I got stopped out, though.
Wait, you're going for the upside?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh, N.
I bought at 104 on. No, I bought at 105 on the 30th. I got stopped out on the 5th.
Are you going for the downside?
No, I was going for the upside. On the 5th, there was a big move down.
Yeah.
It got me out. Stopped me out. Another one I took a loss on was SHLS. Same thing, same scenario, literally the same pattern. I got in at 24. I got stopped out on the 6th. I was up for a while, but I got stopped out. Super small losses. What was another one? I know VIST. It was a win.
Yeah.
I got in at 24 and a half. And I got out at 26. DT was a win. Like DT, the actual, yeah. I got in at 50, 75, right near the 21 EMA. And I got out at 55, 75. You see that one?
Yeah.
And then there was one more this past week.
Yeah, I'm trying to use my money and robbing it, dude. It's
Sure.
just sitting there. I'm trying to use it.
What was it? Is there any way I can see my orders over the last? Look at this. Trade log. Oh, CFLT. I bought it at $33.50.
What day?
On the 6th.
Actually, 3350 on the 6th.
Huh? I believe it was the 6th. Yeah, 7/6. 33.
7-6.
Yeah, 3350.
Nice.
The idea behind that trade was there was previous supply back in August of last year. It broke above that supply, held that supply, and like what we taught in class, when it breaks through supply and holds above that supply, it becomes now fresh demand. So I was buying right at where all the sellers were trapped, and then it shoots up, and then I sold pretty much at the high. I sold around, I didn't quite get to the high. I think I sold around 36.25, 36.50.
Nice.
You was talking about options?
Yeah, these are swing trades I've taken over the last couple weeks.
Nice.
I almost took Google, but I didn't like how it was kind of choppy. It's up $10 in 4 days. That light position is now up 63% on the day.
Nice. What are you gonna profit closing?
My target is at. I still got a ways to go. A whole nother $1 on the options contracts.
When did you get in? Oh, price.
For the option,
Yeah.
$285 a contract.
Well, like,
What day?
what stock? What app?
Let me pull it up. I want to get the exacts. Yeah, it's doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. I'll probably get out of it when it gets like 51. It'll slow down at that point. I got in on the 5th. I got in on the 5th.
Nice.
So around $55 a share.
Nice.
Let me see here. Oh, nice. It shows me exactly where I got in. That's cool. 54 7. I want to really zoom in. 54.65. Bro, that's wild. Guess how much I'm up on the month for that? For just options. For swings.
40%.
40% on the dot. On a $100,000 account, that's 40 grand. Bro, nobody gets that return. Granted, I'll have losing. Well, it's all part of it, but.
Dang, I got out early.
Huh?
Got out too early.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you short it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Could have been better. Shoot.
you take then?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What did you do for pen?
I bought a $25 put in October.
PENN
Yeah.
in October?
Mhm.
October 20th?
Mhm.
20?
I think earnings is coming up pretty soon though. Probably around the same time.
Yeah, earnings is August 3rd.
If it doesn't break below 26, then it'll make me nervous.
So you did a $20 put?
I did a $25 put.
Oh, 25.
Mhm. We need to see it break below 26 though. I mean, like, it looks really good right now.
How many did you get? 3?
I don't really know. Hold on. I'm gonna put it on Discord so you guys can see. Oh shoot, I'm about to hop off the call.
What'd you get in at? $1.80?
Let me check. I'm up currently on it. I got in at $1.75.
Nice.
The market gets weak, these things will flush. All you need is like 1 or 2 selling days in the overall market, and these things will just freaking plummet. There's something called relative strength and relative weakness. So when the market's rallying like this, I don't necessarily want to chase it because I know we're in weekly supply. Like, for goodness sakes, I can't even take a day trade right now because we're in weekly supply and it just doesn't go with my rules. The odds are just not in my favor for the long term. So when you're swing trading, now if you're starting out, I wouldn't do that because you don't want to spread yourself too thin. But once your system is built and all you have to do is just follow your system, then it's a little bit different. Like, my day trading system's pretty much built. I just gotta follow it. Then if you're doing swing trades, trade the same way you do for day trading. If you're a continuation pattern trader, do that for swing trading. Build a system around it. If you're a reversal pattern trader for day trading, do the exact same thing for swing trading. Price action is price action. Time frames don't matter. In the sense of, you see the same thing pretty much on every time frame, just on bigger and smaller time frames. It's like the same price action because it's human emotions at the end of the day, and institutions manipulating human emotions. So swing trading is the same thing. So once you built a system for day trading, if you want, now you don't have to. Some people, all they do is day trade and they make billions and billions of dollars, and that's cool, or millions and millions of dollars. But if you want to swing trade, there's something called relative strength and relative weakness. When the market is really strong, what is weak in comparison to the market? So like LITE is a stock that I shorted when the market was going up, and I'm green on the position. My position is up 63% when the market's still going up. So what will happen 95% of the time is when the NQ has a selling day, 1 or 2 days, this stock is already extremely relatively weak. So when the overall market gets weak just for a couple of days, this stock will plummet because it's already extremely weak. That's relative weakness. Now I look for the same thing on the upside. Like you'll notice a lot of those stocks that I went long on, they had relative strength to the overall market. One of them is up 100+% just in the last, like from its 52-week low. And that's huge. A lot of those stocks are already up a lot, and they've already been up a lot. So I look for relative strength and relative weakness when I'm taking a continuation position for a swing trade. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Ask questions. I'll answer questions for like 10 minutes. If you guys have any, you guys can ask questions too. Well, does that make sense? It does? Kelsey?
What's up?
Did you hear anything I just said? No? Dang, bro. Oh my gosh.
No, it did.
You did?
Relative strength, relative weakness.
Yeah, does that make sense to you?
Yeah. There's stocks that will act in the opposite of the market, and there's stocks that will go with it.
And a set of rules, what it'll do, when you have a system built, it helps you just be patient. Like right now, I know I can't trade, so like my stress and the pressure on my shoulders lifts because I have these rules. The majority of my rules are based around do nots, like don't do this, don't do that, don't do this, don't do that. Because the majority of the time, you'll notice that the best traders in the world, they don't trade like the average person. They don't take that many trades, in all honesty. They know their system in and out, and they only pounce on the market when that system hits. And I know my system. I know that I can only take trades during this time. And that's gonna, when I take that trade specifically, it's gonna hit so often. And what that will allow me to do is it'll allow me to scale a lot. Like, it'll allow me to get up to those points of $1 million positions. And that's what I want to do because that's where the real money is made. In trading, it's not about, dang, this coffee's hitting me, bro. In trading, making money is not about how hard you work. It's about how well you make decisions. So that's what I encourage you to do is make sure you have a really solid system that you follow. And just be patient. Like, you don't have to take a trade every day. You don't have to take 5 trades a day. My best days, looking back at history of all my trading, my best days are 1 to 3 trades. Typically 1 to 2. 3 is pushing it. And typically I make the majority of my money on a monthly basis in like 4 days. All the other days I've noticed they're just like choppy. So what I've learned is if I'm gonna be barely profitable on the majority of the days, why not just not trade those days? And then when the days come where they're exactly what I'm looking for, then I'm gonna pounce and I'm gonna scale. Because those are the days where I make my money. Does that make sense? I'm fired up right now.
Makes sense. It's good.
What?
If I held on to that.
Uh-oh, here he goes. Don't do that. Woulda, coulda, shoulda.
Dude.
What?
Insane move down.
What was your pin stop
Stop loss? me see. 1.38. Target at 2.5.
So it was 1.38 stop. What about limit? 1.3.
On Webull, it just allows me to do it just straight up.
Oh, so your limit was 1.38.
Yeah, just straight up. It just triggers a market order when it's there. I believe. Alright, I'm hopping off, guys. Peace out, homies.